Very much, Radu sir. I thank both the speakers, Dr. Neeraj Kumar Gupta and Professor Kasradikar sir. Now we will move on to our valedictory program of today's training. I welcome all the guests, invitees, participants, and all the delegates for this concluding program of 7 days international online training program on advances in diagnosis and medical management of farm animal diseases, which is organized by Department of Veterinary Clinical Medicine, Postgraduate Institute of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Akola, Maharashtra. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Maharashtra Animal and Fisheries Sciences University, Nagpur, Professor Colonel Dr. A.M. Paturkar sir, Chief Guest of today's concluding function, Honorable DI&D Dr. A.P. Sompur sir, respected guest of honor, Mr. P. Karunanidhi, Senior Vice President, Alembic Pharmaceuticals Limited, our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Vivek Kasradikar sir, Professor and Head, Department of Medicine, Veterinary College, Bidar. Next, our guest of honor, Professor Dr. D.G. Dighe sir, Offset Dean, College of Veterinary Animal Sciences, Shirwar. All the Offset Deans, Directors, MAPSU Nagpur, all the Offset Deans of the Constituent Colleges, and Professor Dr. A.U. Bhikane sir, Offset Dean and Post-Director of this training, and all the participants. I welcome all for this concluding program. Now I request and invite Professor Dr. Wagmare sir for presenting coordinator's report. So, Dr. Wagmare sir, please.
All distinguished guests, delegates, invitees, faculties, and participants. Now we have reached the end of the training. First of all, I gratefully acknowledge and thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor MAPSU Nagpur, Colonel Dr. Professor A.M. Paturkar sir, and Dr. A.P. Sompur, Honorable Director and Dean Faculty of Veterinary Sciences, MAPSU Nagpur, for permission and wholehearted support to hold this 7-day international online training program on advances in diagnosis and medical management of farm animal diseases week 25th November to 1st December 2020. The main objective of this training program was to update the recent advances in diagnostic skills and therapeutic management of various diseases of farm animals. I hope we might have successfully in fulfilling the objective of this training programs, as we have received very encouraging and excellent feedbacks from all participants, and definitely which will definitely boost up our confidence for organization of future training programs. I feel very proud to share with that there has been overwhelming response from the participants all over the world, and total 295 participants, including academicians, field veterinarians, students from all the states of India and from 11 countries: Germany, Malaysia, Bangladesh, Italy, Pakistan, Nepal, Somalia, Philippines, Kenya, Sri Lanka, United Arab Emirates. So all these participants have been registered for this 7 days training program. Eminent scientists and experts from India and abroad were invited to deliver lectures on various important topics in the field of diagnosis, therapeutic approach towards the better health and production in farm animals. During these last 7 days of training, total 19 lectures have been conducted by eminent speakers. The special attraction of this training was discussion on disease condition and case discussion by Professor Dr. A.U. Bhikane sir, Associate Dean, Postgraduate Institute of Animal Veterinary and Animal Sciences Akola and Course Director of this training program at the end of every session except first and last day. So we have tried to cover all the topics as per the demands of the participants also. And participants have given tremendous response to this special session and appreciated the efforts made by Dr. Professor A.U. Bikane sir and a whole team. First day, the training program was inaugurated at the hands of Professor Dr. Arcangelo Gentili, Professor of Large Animal Internal Medicine, Department of Veterinary Medical Sciences from Italy, and he also the president of the World Association for Pediatrics. The compendium containing all the topics covered was released at the hands of chief guests and guest of honors during the inaugural function. The technical session on various important topics have been covered, such as clinical approach to neurological diseases in cattle by international faculty from Italy, Professor Dr. Arcangelo Gentili, and the topic was wonderful presentation was given by Dr. Arcangelo Gentili. Also, the diseases of genetic importance with special reference to brucellosis by Dr. B.S. Meena from PGR, Jaipur, India. Red green syndrome in cattle and buffaloes and its differential diagnosis and therapeutic management by Professor Dr. S.K. Rawal, Professor and Head Department of Medicine from Anand, India. And vaccination in sheep and goats by Dr. Ashok Kumar Walupadasu, Deputy Director of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, Telangana. Then there was excellent presentation on important cross regions on some of the common bovine diseases by Dr. N.K. Sood, Professor and Head Department of Veterinary Pathology from Garhwal, Ludhiana. Now the topic on recent trends for antimicrobial resistance by international faculty from Germany, Dr. Rudraj Patil. It was also appreciated by the participants. Then the very wonderful topic presented by Professor Dr. Swaran Singh Randhawa on bovine ultrasonography, and he is from Garhwal, Ludhiana. Then fluid amyloid therapy in cattle by international faculty from Italy, Dr. Francesco Testa, is a leading bovine practitioner from Italy. Then outstanding presentation given by Professor Dr. Vijay Kumar on genetic ileus in bovine with differential diagnosis and therapeutic management. Then excellent presentation on important poisoning in farm animals and its differential diagnosis by Dr. A. Shivaraman, Assistant Professor from Kanuvas, Chennai. Then emerging and re-emerging diseases of small ruminants by Dr. Ashok Kumar Manikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Public Health and Epidemiology from Kanuvas. Then a very wonderful effective presentation by on blood transfusion in large animal under field condition by Dr. Vikas Chattar. He is a livestock development officer, veterinary state veterinary government, Maharashtra. Then today very informative and very excellent presentation by Dr. Dheeraj Kumar Gupta on the diagnostic and therapeutic management of ruminants and other and treat condition other than mastitis, and he is from Ludhiana, Garhwal, Ludhiana. Then now today the second lecture was on metabolic disorders, special reference to subacute renal acidosis and ketosis by Professor Dr. Vivek Kasradekar, and it was a wonderful presentation by the eminent speaker, Professor Dr. Vivek Kasradekar. The Professor Dr. A.U. Bikane sir, Associate Dean of our institute and course director, discussed on the topic of snake enveneration in farm animals, lumpy skin disease and its differential diagnosis, then leukoderma in buffaloes, hemoprotozoan diseases, jaundice in bovine, dermatophytosis in bullocks, osteomalacia and its differential diagnosis of neurological disorders, differential diagnosis of nesting diseases, red green diseases, metabolic diseases, and hypogalaxia in dairy animals. So very wonderful and excellent presentation given by Dr. A.U. Bikane sir in the special session of our training program. So we greatly appreciate the support we have received from all the participants. So I would like to thanks to all the participants for making this training a grand success to your valuable contributions and active participation throughout the training and especially during the discussion period, discussion session. Thanks to all the participants for their feedback, encouraging feedback from all the participants for these training programs. So now I wish to record our sincere thanks to our knowledge partner, Alembic Pharmaceutical Limited, for their continuous supports for organization of these training programs. The e-compedium will be sent through the email to all the participants in you know, next week, and it will be a very good source of information to understand the current trends in diagnostic and therapeutic approach towards the better health and production in farm animals. So I hope you might have enjoyed the presentation by eminent speakers on various important topics on diagnosis and medical management of farm animal diseases. So, and with these few words, I just conclude my reports. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Waghmare sir. Now, our next part, that is very important part of this training, and that is the valuable feedback from our respected participants, our very enthusiastic participants. Now we will take a few feedback from our participants. So, namely, I will mention a few names of the interested participants. One is Dr. Alka Singh, second Dr. Nalin Sharma, third Dr. Ruchi Tiwari, then the Dr. Jyoti Ranjan Mohanty, and another from Somalia, Abdullahi Adan Ali, and from Guwahati, we have the faculty, Dr. Utpal Burman from Department of Medicine. So we will take the feedback from these participants. Over to Dr. Santosh.
So they can unmute and speak.
Myself, Dr. Jyotirandhan Mohanty from Odisha.
Thank you for participants in international online and directories.
Hello, participants. Can you
Yeah,
unmute
sir.
yourself?
Yeah, sir, yeah.
You can move to another participant, sir.
Abdullahi, kindly unmute yourself and give your remarks. Unmute yourself. Abdullahi. Hello? Yes.
Thank you all participants in international online program. So very happy to meet international online. So veterinarians, international online. So brothers and sisters in India celebration online programs. So I'm very happy to meeting program. Thank you all participants.
Good evening, everyone.
Yes, Dr. Kassim, please.
Good evening, everyone. Am I audible to you all?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Alka Singh, veterinary officer from Deep Frozen Semen Production Center, Babugarh Farms, Hapur, Uttar Pradesh. I am highly thankful to the organizers of this platform who gave me an opportunity to express my views regarding this webinar. From 25th November to 1st December, this international online training program on advances in diagnosis and medical management of farm animal diseases organized by Maharashtra Animal and Veterinary Science University, Nagpur, has provided so much knowledge by delivering thorough lectures on various aspects of bovine health. This webinar was highly organized in terms of time and presentation. Videos of the related topics and differential diagnosis were a boon to we field vets who want to expand our knowledge horizons. This is the fact that we field vets always wait for such an opportunity to refresh our memories. Hats off all to you, team and the organizers, Dr. Wagmere sir, Dr. A.U. Bikane sir, whose differential diagnosis and all the slides and presentation were excellent. And hats off to you people. I want to thank whole the organizing team and its efforts. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yes, Dr. Major Nalin Sharma, sir.
Good evening, sir. I am Dr. Major Nalin. I am posted with the State Disease Investigation Laboratory, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. I wanted to submit about this feedback about this training program. This training program was very well planned, and entire lectures were very meticulous planning and the selection of the topics. So I wanted to give my sincere thanks to the organizing team, and especially to Dr. A.U. Bikane sir, Associate Dean PG IVAS. And we look forward for such training in future also, sir. And this was really, this training has proved that there is no barriers in transformation of knowledge from academicians to the field vets and the entire professionals in the entire globe. So we have got fellow veterinarians from abroad also, and eminent speakers, both national and on an international platform. And we are really, this training program was very beneficial, and we look forward for such trainings in future also. We feel very much fortunate to attend this training program, and thankful to PG IVAS Akola and our course coordinator, Dr. Sunil Wagmare sir, the Alembic team, and especially to Dr. A.U. Bikane sir, Associate Dean PG IVAS, and the MAFSU for such a wonderful training session. Really thankful, sir. My sincere regards to all entire eminent speakers and the faculties and the course coordinators. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Sharma. Yes, Dr. Ruchi Tiwari.
Thank you, Dr. Pajay, for providing me this opportunity to share my views. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening, all the organizers and my fellow participants, particularly guest of honors, chief guest, and knowledge partner Alembic also, myself, Dr. Ruchi Tiwari. I welcome you all in the valedictory session of the 7 days international online training program on very correctly chosen topic, that is advances in diagnosis and medical management of farm animal diseases. I would like to congratulate all the organizers for bringing out this full of knowledge, versatile and useful training program. And I have particularly 4 or 5 points to mention actually, because I feel I'm really fortunate that I got opportunity to participate in this training program, as earlier also 2 more training programs were organized by the MAFSU University on advances in cattle health. One was on cattle health, second one was on advances in equine health. Now why I'm telling this, because very correctly it is said that teaching is a continuous learning process. I'm part of faculty here in Duvasu, Mathura, and I teach microbiology. So while attending these training programs, what I felt in last these 1 to 2 months that I enjoyed being a student along with being faculty. So that is why it is very fruitful, because during this COVID-19 time, most of us have got so many limitations that we cannot go outside. So such type of training programs truly helped us not only to refresh and share our knowledge and update us also on variety of relevant topics. Then second important point also I would like to mention that time slot which was selected is really convenient, because even after our everyday 10 to 5 working hours, we could hear all the lectures from 5 to 7:30 or 8 p.m. So our evening hours, they were also became really fruitful. Then third point also, I would like to mention that the topic which were addressed by various speakers from different countries, not only India, also from Germany, Italy, like who addressed important topics over health management, vaccination, disease part, emerging diseases, blood and fluid transfusion also, AMR also. So all those topics are really very fruitful, not only for faculty, academicians, students from field vets, everybody they were useful. So this is really appreciable. Then one very good initiative was taken that these organizers formed one WhatsApp group. So whatever information they wanted to convey every day, it was being timely conveyed. Every day link was mailed as a reminder also. And moreover, after the seminar, screenshots of PPT were also provided. So this training program was a complete package actually. The fee which was kept is really very nominal. That is why I believe that number of participants, what we got were always more than 290. That too, just now what was conveyed that they were from more than 11 countries. Malaysia, also Germany, Italy, India, so many countries. And so based on all my these observations, I, on my own behalf and behalf of my all the fellow participants, I really applaud, congratulate and encourage organizers for very successful and smooth organization of this event. And I have one expectation also, that in the group many have requested to provide few more lectures on other topics related to poultry health, birds, fishes. So though I understand that organizers also need some time and resources to fulfill all the requirements, but I'm really sure under dynamic leadership of Dr. Bikane sir with this very good working team, very soon we will get notification of another online training program. So at the end, I would like to thank everyone, organizers, participants for their patient and cooperative hearing. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Dr. Ruchi Tiwari, for your wonderful remarks. And definitely we will keep in mind the next session to start with the topics you have suggested. So thank you very much for your suggestion. Now, I think Dr. Jyotiranjan Mohanty, are you there, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Sir, sir, good
Keep
evening,
your video on, sir.
Honorable Vice Chancellor.
Dr.
Sir,
Jyotiranjan?
sir, there is problem in network. Sir, there is a problem in network issue, sir.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
Video.
Okay.
Sir, hello. Hello.
Ajay sir,
Yes.
you should,
Hello.
there is a network issue, I think.
Okay, okay. Then I would request
Sir, am
Dr.
I audible? Am I audible?
You are audible, your voice is breaking in between.
Hello.
You are audible. Please speak.
Jyoti Ranjan.
His audio is disconnected, sir.
Okay, so now I would request Dr. Utpal Burman from Guwahati. Are you there, sir?
1 minute.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Good evening, all the respected dignitaries present and all my fellow participants. So this 7 days international online training program was really wonderful. It was a complete package under one umbrella that covered all the stakeholders of veterinary profession, field veterinarian, academician, and students. The topics were very well elaborated and well executed. So I congratulate all the organizers, especially Vikane sir, Bagmare sir, and all other who are directly or indirectly associated with this. And I also request organizer for a few more topics like session on poultry or canine and felines in the same pattern. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Utpal Burman. I think the participants' feedback is over now. Now I shall move on to next part. Now I request our course director and also dean of our college, Professor Dr. A.U. Bikane sir, for his introductory remarks, introductory address. So, Dr. A.U. Bikane sir, please.
Thank you, Dr. Pazai, sir. List this valedictory function of International Online Training Program on Advances in Diagnosis and Medical Management of Farm Animal Diseases. Director of Instruction and Dean, Faculty of Veterinary Science, Maharashtra Animal and Fishery Sciences University, Nagpur, respected Dr. A.P. Sompur, sir. Guest of honor, the Senior Vice President of Alembic Pharma, Mr. P. Karunanithy, Associate Dean of KNP Kohas Shirwal, Professor D.G. Dige, Professor Dr. Vivek Kasradikar, and coordinators, organizers of this program, and dear participants. At the outset, I thank Honorable Vice Chancellor of MAPSU, Dr. A.M. Paturkar sir, and our Dean and Director, Dr. A.P. Sompur sir, for giving us opportunity to organize international training program. Both Vice Chancellor sir and DI and Dean, Dr. Sompur sir, they're always backing us, they're always supporting us and guiding us in organizing various events at TGIS Akola. I'm also thankful to Alembic Pharma, the knowledge partner of our program. Especially the Vice President, Mr. P. Karunanithy, Assistant General Manager, Dr. Santosh Shinde, Dr. Kulkarni, Amit Singh, and team. They are helping us to the great extent in organizing online programs for the last 4 months. Really, they are helping us and sharing our knowledge, experience, skills with field veterinarians, academicians, research scholars, and even farmers. So we appreciate their help from bottom of our heart. Today, Dr. Dighe sir joined this program. I congratulate Dr. D.G. Dighe, who has taken over as Associate Dean of Kohas Shirwar. Actually, today only he has started working. So on behalf of PJIVS and participants, I congratulate him and I thank him for joining this program as a guest of honor in spite of his very busy schedule. Thank you, Dr. Dighe sir. Today, I am very happy that the resource person, one of the eminent speaker and a resource person, Professor Dr. Kasralikar sir, has also joined our program as a guest of honor with a short notice. Really, I'm very happy to listen and hear the comments passed by participants on our WhatsApp group, as well as the encouraging feedback given in this particular session. Dear participants, I must thank all of you for encouraging us, boosting us, and that will definitely help us in arranging few more programs in the future. Really speaking, by team, organizing team, especially Professor Wagmare and Dr. K.S. Pazai, they took efforts, painstaking efforts in planning and execution of this training program. Actually, we were planning for selection of the topics, selection of the speakers, identifying the speakers from all over the globe for nearly 1 month. And the selection of the topic and our resource persons, eminent speakers, they were liked by our participants. So we feel very happy. Almost all the speakers, from Professor Gentile to Professor Kasralikar, they delivered their lectures in a very interesting way. We are very lucky to have a Professor Gentile, who is a chairman, who is a president of a World Biotric Association. Such a towering personality we could get as a chief guest for an inaugural function. His lecture on neurological disorder was also very much excellent. The faculty from Tanuvas, especially Professor Vijay Kumar, Dr. Shivraman, and Dr. Ashok Kumar, faculty from Garhwaso, Ludhiana, especially Dr. Randhawa, Professor Randhawa, Dr. Dheeraj Kumar Gupta, they gave excellent practical type of presentations. I should also appreciate the excellent lecture given by, and excellent, you see, the practical experience shared by Professor Sood. Although Dr. Rawal was suffering from COVID, even he interacted with the participants. Two field veterinarians, especially Dr. Ashok Kumar, I must appreciate. He was in a phase of transition. And even during that period, he delivered an excellent lecture on vaccination in a sheep and goat. I'm very happy to share with the participants and the dignitaries that during this program only, he was the key speaker, one of the eminent speaker, as well as he was a participant of this training program. And he got promotion during this international training program only. And yesterday only he joined as a deputy director. So I congratulate him on behalf of all of you. Dr. Vikas Chattar, one of the leading large animal practitioner, and who has done excellent work in the field of blood transfusion, shared a really a very good experience with the fellow participants. So among all these speakers, I was also delivering the lectures. Actually, I enjoyed a lot this international training program. Not as a speaker. I love teaching. I love explaining differential diagnosis. I enjoyed a lot because I got a very good response from the participants. But apart from this, I enjoyed this training program as a participant. After so many years, I have participated in a training program. Daily, I was attending almost all sessions I have attended, and I have enjoyed a lot because the faculty and the eminent speakers, they have given excellent speeches, and they shared not only the theoretical knowledge, but diagnostic skill, therapeutic skills with all the participants. Actually, the program was designed keeping in view the varied sections of the veterinarians, and the students, from UG students to senior scientists and professors, everybody participated actively and everybody has enjoyed the sessions, as it is evident from the feedback given by the participants on WhatsApp group as well as in their speeches also. So really I feel very happy as a course director that this training was successful, and as per the suggestions from the participants, in future also we will try our level best to organize the different types of the training programs. EJIVS is organizing has organized number of international and national level activities in the last 3 or 4 months. Nearly every day we are organizing some or other program for farmers, field veterinarians, and the academicians. And I'm sure that even future also, we will organize the program as per the desire of the participants. And I would like to again share and assure all of you that we all will remain connected even in future. And as far as the training material is concerned, surely we are going to provide a training manual or a compendium within a week's time. That work is going on. And in 8 or 10 days, we'll be giving a very good e-compendium to all the participants. Please remain assured, even in the next 1 week's time, everybody will get participation certificates, e-certificates also. Already we have Dr. Alka Singh. See, on our behalf, every day she was sharing the screenshots. Dr. Santosh has also shared screenshots of all the PPTs and presentations. So I think that material is available with all of you, and the compendium and e-certificate will be dispatched to you very soon. So thank you for your participation and making this training very much successful. So this really COVID has given us opportunity to organize such type of training program. Otherwise, we have given a training for just 25 to 30 participants offline or in physical. And it would have taken at least 10 years for organizing such 10 programs, or took a lot of time. But because of the COVID, we are well acquainted to this now, this online platform, and this has made us possible to share the knowledge, experience, not within the country, but around the globe. So once again, I thank all of you, especially all the dignitaries who have joined this program. And once again, I congratulate the organizing team comprising Professor Wagmare, Dr. Pazai, Dr. R.K. Jadhav from Koha Sudgir, Dr. Yanambore from Shirur Veterinary College, Dr. Panchabhai, and Dr. Bankar. Thank you. With this, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now, moving towards the next part, that is the address of the guest of honor. Now, I request and invite Mr. P. Karunanidhi, Senior Vice President, Alembic Pharma Limited, for his address. So, Mr. P. Karunanidhi, sir, please.
Yes, sir. Good evening to all the participants and Dr. A.K. Bikani, sir, for organizing such a wonderful program. Actually, in PGI Akola, we started, it's like a small program, it started in the beginning. And then later it started progressing into a deep level to the farmers, to the poultry farmers, entrepreneurs, students, field veterinarians. Like that, this educative program has taken multi-dimension during the period, over the period of few months. And it is such a wonderful program. One of the participants, she is a professor, and she claims that she has participated as a student for this entire program. That speaks the kind of knowledge you have shared through this program, sir. Actually, the program titled as Recent Advances in Diagnosis and Medical Management of Farm Animals. Actually, there is a saying that, first of all, identifying the disease, and then identifying the root cause of the disease, and identifying the right medicine which is suitable to the body. So this is the basic principles of diagnosis and treatment. Though it is looks very simple to listen, but the subject is so vast and it is developing every day with so much of research and scientific knowledge development is taking place across the globe. So bringing all those knowledges, latest technology to your student and field veterinarians, also some of the professors of other veterinary colleges. It is an immense and useful job which you are doing for this profession. So considering these newer diagnostic techniques, this PGI Akola has developed a program for enriching the knowledge and helping the field veterinarians and budding veterinarians so that they can use this knowledge which is shared through this program in their day-to-day practice. Because ultimately, it should be utilized by the field veterinarians in the field and it should result into a benefit to the farmer. So till the time it happens, otherwise it will remain as a theoretical knowledge. But Dr. Bikani sir and his team ensures that the knowledge reaches the end user, that is the farmer. Because I have seen their program when the lumpy skin disease problem was raging in entire Maharashtra. They have conducted a program for the farmers in Marathi. Some 4,000 farmers participated at that time. After that, I have seen many programs like for the poultry entrepreneurs, dairy farmers who want to conduct a dairy farm as an entrepreneur type. So all those segments they have covered. It is not only for academic circle. They don't mind reaching out to the end farmer also. So this particular program covering subacute ruminal acidosis, ketosis, radiourine syndrome, blood transfusion, also fluid and electrolyte therapy in farm animals. You know, the type of speaker you have brought, 15 speakers of national and international repute, because organizing such a useful speakers, 15 speakers in a short span of time, and that too a course, it's like a course for 7 days. It's not one day program or one speaker, it is very easy to organize. But for 15 speakers for 7 days, continuously every day, starting the program by 5 p.m. in the evening and going up to 8 p.m. It is a remarkable job by Dr. Bekani sir and his team. And if you talk about PGI was Akola, which is 50 years old institute, and I have visited during my field visit a few years back, and it is one of the wonderful institute, and people who pass out from that institute always stood separate, different. So as I said, they have conducted many programs, including, I have forgot to mention one thing, that goat farmer also they have conducted program. How to maintain a goat farm, how to make it as a successful goat farm. For that also, whatever the technical support is required, that program also, this PGI Akola has done it. Actually, in this program, in this journey, actually, it's a very big subject. Knowledge sharing is an endless subject. It will not end over a period of time. It will continue. So in this endless journey, we from Alembic feel very, very happy to provide any kind of support for conducting such programs in coming months or coming year also. Because that is what we can do. That is the kind of services we can extend to the farmer community. I say farmer community, that is farmer community through our veterinarians. As far as Alembic is concerned, Alembic Pharmaceutical is 113-year young company, which is the first company started in India by Indian and still run by an Indian, but it is an Indian multinational. We are operating all over the world with multi-specialty medicines in humans. Also in animal health, we have veterinary division as well as poultry division. And Alembic is known for launching unique products through our innovation. Product like Moxel, way back 25 years back, that was the first product with the combination of amoxicillin, cloxacillin, and MSEPT, ceftriaxone sodium, Except ceftiofur sodium, Saral, isometamedium chloride. These are all the first time in India products which was launched by Alembic. Sarcoferol, that is the only product for several decades was available as a hematonic in animals. For canine, large animal, birds, in all segments, that was the only hematonic available in the market for several decades. Now there are some product available. So Alembic always looks for a better solution for the complicated problems. Recently means few years back, we have launched a product called Rumen FS powder, particularly for acidosis cases. In acidosis cases, normally people used to go for 2-3 variety of medicines to treat the cases. So with Rumen powder, we have created a combination which will be sufficient. With one product, you can treat acidosis and cause of acidosis and symptoms of acidosis, and recurrence of acidosis can be treated with one product. So actually why I am highlighting this point is that Alembic believes in innovation and believes in providing an economical solution to the farmers through veterinarians. That is why our motto itself says that expertise and economy. Excellence, expertise and economy. So economy is the most important thing. Like in human being treatment, emotional factor comes into the picture. People don't mind selling their property to treat the human being, their beloved relatives. But in case of animal, always they will see the cost benefit ratio. If I spend 10,000 rupees for the treatment, is it worth spending for this animal? Because animals, particularly bovines and poultry, mainly kept for economic purpose. Therefore, the economic factor is very, very important while treating the animal. So therefore, if you see all our product, we try to give the best solution through economy. That was our motto. As I said earlier, we are very, very happy to be part of this MAFSU journey in disseminating the knowledge to various stakeholders like budding veterinarians, postgraduate students, and practicing veterinarians in the field. And there are many veterinarians who have participated from the different institutes. Like Lucknow Institute, one lady doctor was saying that she is working for an institute. Like that, many institute people who are working as an in charge or practicing, they have participated. And also, last but not the least, farmers. So this institute is very, very successful in organizing programs for different stakeholders. And Alembic, we are very, very happy to be part of this program as a knowledge partner. So thank you very much, Bikani sir. We will be with you in all your future programs, hand to hand. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you for all the participants.
Thank you, Karunanidhi.
Thank you, Karunanidhi sir. Thank you very much for your valuable remarks and the support given to us, our training. Thank you very much, sir. Now I would request our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Kasradikar sir, for his address, please. Dr. Kasradikar sir.
Hello.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Good evening, everybody. It is, I feel highly indebted to be a part of this valedictory function of international online training on advances in diagnosis and medical management of farm animal diseases. First and foremost is compliments to Professor Dr. Bikani, Dean, PGI Akola, who has planned this training very meticulously. Different topics were included for 7 days training, and many of the, I am part of this validatory function, I could see the participant response that all of them, they were giving appreciation for the effort. And Dr. Bikani is known for his planning as well as execution, as pointed out by Dr. Karunanidhi. He says that whatever has been planned, it will execute it to the end. And I'm very much thankful for inviting me for this valedictory function. And I also would like to place on record my thanks to the Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Paturkar, Director of Instruction and Dean, Dr. Somkuar, who have given all the administrative support to Professor Bikani for organizing such a wonderful training program. And I also compliment the organizing, team who worked under Professor Bikani, like Dr. Wagmare, Dr. Bajai, Dr. Ambore, Dr. Jadhav, Dr. Bankar, for extensive, because such kind of training requires a basic planning as well as the support. So that is wonderful. And also I would like to thank the knowledge partner, Alembic, who have supported this type of training program. And I expect that Dr. Bikani will continue his effort in making such kind of trainings as a part and parcel of PGI Akola. And thank you for Dr. Bikani for taking this classroom teaching the online mode. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Kasradikar, sir. Now I would request our guest of honor, Professor Dr. D.G. Dige, sir, OSET Dean, KNP College of Veterinary Animal Sciences, Shirwar. So, Dr. Dige, sir, please.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. I just joined today only to Shirwar Veterinary College, as rightly Dr. Bikani said. And suddenly I was told that such and such program has been arranged and I have to be a guest of honor. I was listening to Dr. Kasarikar. I remember when he was doing his master's degree he was doing master's degree in on ketosis. So I remember that he has worked a lot on this topic, and later on also he has, done a lot of work on ketosis. So I will say he's a man of ketosis, and I was very, very happy that I could listen his lecture a little bit, but I was very, very much happy that he has given me a lot of, information. Regarding program, what can I say? It was really fantastically organized. Basically, it is like a multi-speciality program. Many people from different areas have been selected for this program, and it was international also, so that is the additional advantage. Another important thing about this training program is it was not only for the teachers, academicians, but it was for the students, it was for the field veterinarians, and even for the farmers. So everybody was getting benefited with this program, and I really appreciate this for this organizing this program. Now, regarding organizing much more programs on similar matter, even this program can be specifically organized for poultry and various other animals. There are many regional animals, and in India is a lot of different varieties of animals are existing in different parts of the country. So such type of programs can be organized. And I think Dr. Bikani is the right person to organize such type of programs. Last and least, not the least, I will thank the Alembic company who has helped to organize this particular program and given a lot of benefits to variety of people, and the program was organized so nicely. I'm also thankful to Professor Pathurkar sir and Professor Somkuar sir for organizing this particular program, and such more and more programs could be organized later on. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Dige, sir, for your valuable address and suggestions. Thank you very much, sir. Now, moving on to our next very important and very awaited part, that is the address of our chief guest of this valedictory function. That is nothing but the Honorable DI and Dean, MAPSU Nagpur, Professor Dr. A.P. Somkuar sir. Now I request Dr. Somkuar sir for his address. Somkuar sir, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Yes.
A very good evening to all of you. Friends, I was listening since last one hour, and also I could listen the last part of Dr. Kasarikar sir and felt that yes, after long time, I could listen to him. Actually, I didn't get any chance to listen to him earlier, but I was just having in knowledge that he is a good teacher. But today I got an opportunity to listen. Anyway, for this function, valedictory function, we are having with us guest of honors Dr. Professor Vivek Kastadikar sir, Professor Dr. Dige, P. Karunanidhi, Senior Vice President, Alembic Pharma. So among these guests of honors, we are having one Dr. Dige. So first of all, I would like to congratulate Dr. Dige for having with new assignment and new things we can say with us. Today only he has joined and he has been a guest of honor. Dr. Dige, congratulate to you.
Thank you, sir.
And apart from this, as you said, the training program they are expected from Dr. Bikane. As a dean faculty, I also expect such type of training program from your college also. So hope in future I will see some such type of program from your college also.
Sure.
Good, very nice. Then for this program, we are having Dr. S.P. Wagmare, who is a course coordinator training, and of course, course director, Dr. A.U. Bikane, his team, course coordinators, Drs. Pazai, Ambore, Jadhav, Bankar, Panjaba, etc. I happen to be there at Akola on 27th, I think. Yes, on 27th. This was a midway between the training. Training was going on. There was an inspection from MAPSU. For that purpose, I had been there and I saw his efforts for training program and for this visit also. He was so keen that his training program, he was managing how to manage the speakers and all this manage in the sense means there was demand from the participants that this type of lecture shall be conducted. They were demanding and Dr. Bikani, he was very much behind that. Yes, how we can find the time, how we can adjust the speaker, how we can adjust the topic and all these things because they were already pre-planned and there was a great demand from the participants for various topics. As it was straightway cited by various participants that such type of training program with other topics they can be conducted. So I hope that Dr. Bikane sir, under his leadership, able leadership, I know we worked together for 10 years at Udgir Veterinary College. I know Dr. Bikane, and as said by other speakers also, he has given a complete package and wonderful organization, etc. But I know that whatever programs he is conducting under his guidance, next program, he is much better than earlier one. Means whatever, I can't say drawback, but how better we can do in next program, he is always finding a way and he is doing that. So I hope in future also, he will be conducting much more training programs with as per the demand of the participants. Here at the juncture, I would like to congratulate all the participants, not only from the India, but from the abroad, so that the eminent speakers, as said, and I gone through the list of the speakers, eminent speakers, they could get the knowledge at their home. And of course, this needs very good planning. Dr. Bikani and his team, he has planned well and he has executed. Planning is there and execution is there. So they have executed very nicely and they have come to the end of this program, that is the validatory function. And as I saw from the feedback of the participants, because this is the real receipt for this any function, means what they said, that is gain for us. Our evaluation by the participant, that is most important. And I find that all the participants, as they have given their feedback, I am very happy that the program which was very conducted by the PGIS Akola under guidance of Dr. Bikane and his team, it was very successful, a great successful. And for this, I would like to congratulate Team Bikane, all course coordinators and other team members for organizing this online training program of 7 days. Lastly and least, because just we are 20:58 at present and we have to finish. So just 1 minute again I will take that Mr. Ashok Kumar, he has also been promoted to new assignment. So I would like to congratulate him also on this platform. And as said by the participant that future training, they will be awaiting for the future training. Yes, sure. Dr. Bikane, he will be conducting many more trainings. There must be in his mind for the pipeline that yes, this training is to be conducted by this, and in due course of time, whenever there is a particular time type suits, he will be conducting another training. And I know that Dr. Bikani, he is a versatile personality. Whatever he planned correctly and he executed. Yes, it is said that whenever it is a teamwork, so team leader is most important. And as per the team leader, team proceeds further. So I am very hopeful, not only hopeful, but confident, as Dr. Wagmare said, that he is hopeful that the trainees might have enjoyed. But I am not hopeful, I am sure that they definitely have enjoyed this training program, which was again told by the participants. So from MAPSU headquarters, I congratulate Dr. Bikane, Aswedin PJS Akola, and his team for organizing such a nice international webinar training program of 7 days with a very eminent speakers. And I congratulate once again all the participants and team for this training program. On behalf of MAPSU, whatever help is required, yes, we are there to help you, to support you, whatever you need. And as we know that since last 4 months with PGIVS Akola, various training programs they were organized, might be for the farmers, faculty, students, whatever program they were organized, were supported by Team Alembic. So I also thanks to the Team Alembic from MAPSU that they are the knowledge partner and they are supporting for these webinars. So lastly, I would like to thanks the organizing team for giving me an opportunity to have some dialogues with you all people. Thank you. Have a nice day and good night.
Thank you, Kumkur sir. Thank you very much for your valuable address and suggestions and appreciation. Thank you very much, sir. Now moving on to our next section, that is the distribution of e-certificate. As a token of representation, we will be displaying a sample of e-certificate that will be given to one of the participant, namely Dr. Mohammad Nazi Ahmed, which is a faculty from Malaysia. So that is the certificate being given to our valuable participant. And the rest of the participants, I declare that they will be receiving their e-certificates by their email. So this was the announcement for all the participants. So they will be getting their certificates by email very soon. So after this, I move on to our last part, that is nothing but the vote of thanks. So now I request Dr. B.N. Ambore, Assistant Professor, Department of Veterinary Medicine, College of Veterinary Animal Sciences, Shirwar, to propose the vote of thanks. Over to Dr. Ambore, sir.
Thank you, Pazai sir. I am audible, sir?
Yes.
Thank you. This is the last but most important part of our training program is the vote of thanks. So today's chief guest of electric program of this international training program, respected Professor Somkor sir, DI and Dean, MAPSU Nagpur, the guest of honor of today's function, Mr. P. Karunanidhi, Senior Vice President, Alembic Pharmaceutical, Professor Vivek Kasradikar sir, Professor and Head Department of Veterinary Clinical Medicine, College of Veterinary and Animal Sciences, Bidar. Then Professor Dhananjay Dige sir, with the Associate Dean, KNP College of Veterinary Science, Shirwar. Then our course director, respected Professor Bikane sir. Then course coordinator, Professor Surin Wagmare sir, Pazai sir, and all the dignitaries. So it is my great privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. So first of all, on behalf of course director, the course coordinator, and all the co-coordinators and our knowledge partner, Alembic Pharmaceutical. I am very much grateful to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Colonel Paturkar sir, for according his kind permission to conduct this international training program. Further, I am very much thankful to respected Dean and DI Professor Somkur sir for permitting us for this training program. We are also extend our sincere thanks to respected Professor Kurkure sir, Director of Research, MAPSU Nagpur, Professor Aher sir, Director of Extension and Training, MAPSU Nagpur, for their kind support and motivation for conducting this training program. We are really happy to express the vote of thanks to Professor Gentil from Italy as a chief guest for inaugural program of this training program on first day. And he has not only inaugurated our training program, but also delivered a very nice lecture on neurological disorders in cattle. So we are very much thankful to Professor Gentil. Then our eminent speaker, we are very much thankful to all the eminent speakers of national and international repute, right from Professor D.S. Meena, Professor S.K. Raval, Dr. Ashok Kumar, Professor N.K. Sood, then Dr. Ruturaj Patil, Professor Swaran Singh Randhawa, Professor Francisco Tista from Italy, Professor Vijay Kumar from Tanvas, then Dr. Shivraman, Dr. Ashok Kumar Manikam from Tanvas, then Dr. Vikas Chattar, Livestock Development Officer from Maharashtra, then Dr. as a eminent speaker. Then I am also thankful to respected Bhikani sir, our course director of this training program. He not only supported and guided us to conduct this training program, but also he has delivered very nice, excellent field-oriented experiences and discussion on various topics daily for 1.5 years along with the participants. So we are very much thankful to respected Bhikani sir also. Then today's chief guest for this valedictory program, Professor Somkur sir, DA and Dean MAPSU Nagpur, for accepting our invitation as a chief guest of this valedictory program. And also we are thankful to today's guest of honors for this program, Mr. P. Karunanidhi, Vice President of Alembic Pharmaceutical, Professor Vivek Kasradikar sir, then Professor Dhananjay Dighe sir, Associate Dean, KNP College of Veterinary Science, Shirwal, for accepting as a guest of honor of this today's program and expressing their views for the training. Then I am very much thankful. The most important is that on behalf of our course director and all the organizing committee, our vote of thanks goes to our web coordinators, Mr. P. Karunanidhi, Senior Vice President of Alembic Pharmaceutical, Dr. Santosh Shinde, and Dr. Naresh Kulkarni, and their whole team of Alembic Pharmaceutical as a knowledge partner and kind support of their online platform to conduct this training program smoothly. Then I am also thankful to Professor Sunil Wagmare sir, the course coordinator of this training program, for his constant support and guidance during this training program. For their wholehearted support and their day by day organization of the training program for whole 7 days. I am also thankful to my colleagues as a co-coordinators, Dr. Kishore Pajai sir, Dr. R.K. Jadhav, Dr. P.S. Bankar, Dr. Girish Panchbhai for smooth conduct of this training program for 7 days. Not but least, we all, the organizing committee, sincerely thankful to all the participants from state, national, as well as international level for their active participation and expressing their views at last in this program also. So lastly, we are very much thankful to all who have supported directly or indirectly to conduct this training program smoothly. Thank you very much, sir. Over to Pajai sir.
Thank you, Ambore sir. Now, with the permission of the authority, I would like to thank all the dignitaries, delegates. Thank you very much, sir. Now, with the permission of the authority, I declare this training program is over. So thank you very much to all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Chalo.